guys, Rachel here, and I'm excited to show you guys this toy hauler. It is a bumper pull. It is brand new 2024, and I cannot wait to show you because I personally love a toy hauler. I love the fact that I can put down the back and it can be a patio because I actually don't have a toy, but I absolutely want a toy hauler. So I'm excited to show you this one, and I love the fact that it's a bumper pull. I mean, to me, it's a little bit lighter than a fifth wheel. It's super long, and you can get the shorter ones too, but I love that it's a bumper pull. And so I'm excited to show you. It is at Salem. It's a new 2024, and the layout is stunning. I absolutely love, especially this one that I'm about to show you, because I think it even has a projector theater design. So let's go to the front real quick so that I can show you the outside, and you let me know what you guys think. All right, we have the Salem FSX Platinum. This is, I want to say it's the 30, I probably get it wrong, but it is the 30VC View, but it will be in the description. Of course, right here, you pull that down, that can go down, and of course you can pull up your drive-in or push in your toy. Or if you don't have a toy, you can use this as a patio. However you want to use it, I absolutely love the fact that you have the option. And it does have this long slide. And look at those beautiful windows. So it's got your long awning, and then it's got these beautiful, beautiful windows. You've got your speakers down here. Let's take a look inside. All right, guys. So again, I love the layout because for me, I'm sure y'all have heard, I love when you have that separation of the living room and the kitchen. And to me, that's what I have right here. So in the back, we'll start here. You can lay that out. It's got a fence or a gate around that area that you can put up. It has your sliding doors that have the screen in them, so you can always open the windows to let that breeze in, or you can keep them closed and still have that patio down. And it's like your little porch. You have a amazing couch here that reclines on both sides. These come off if you want them. Of course, if you don't want them, but they go in easily as well. You got your ottoman, and then back here you can set up your projector that goes to this screen, which there's a button that goes up. I mean, I absolutely love it. Of course, you can set it up, push the button, it goes up, and have your beautiful windows there, but you do have an option to watch your movies on here. It's really neat. Over here, you've got your kitchen. Again, I love the separation. For me, I like that. A nice big fridge. You've got a nice long counter here, but not only can you use this for all kinds of things, breakfast, work, or whatever, or breakfast, dinner, whatever, you can put this down and you can put this side down as well. So you can enter here, go in and out here. You can have it up and have that extended countertop to do all the cooking or whatever. Maybe you've got, a few people over. You can put chairs all the way around, have more places to sit. But I love that option. I love that they have that option. You've got storage upon storage everywhere. You got a 3-burner. You got microwave. I think it might be more than a microwave, maybe. Yeah, a convection. And then you've got more over here. Now, it does have an opportunity to put a TV in here in the kitchen area. So one other thing is, if I did put my TV there, I would move my couch to sit this way. That's just me because, well, one, I like to move my living room around, every 3 months just to do something new. But two, because it's it's facing that direction. However, you can even put a small TV in your kitchen just to have on that side. Say I was cooking and wanted a tiny TV that I wanted to look at and make some recipes or whatever, but you do have that option. So I love this living room setup. I love the fact that I can put that back patio, I call it a patio, garage door down, and I could just go out there and do, just sit on the patio. Or if I ended up getting a toy, then whatever that might be, I have the option. It goes all the way to here that you can pull it in. I mean, it's so many, not only so many options, but this is a large area for you to pull in a toy. So down the hall, you have a hidden storage / bedroom. So up here is a bed that comes down. This can turn into, I believe it can turn into a bed. Maybe not. Let me see. Yep, looks like it can. So you have that. You've got an exit door right here, which gives you a perfect opportunity to put in more stuff. Maybe you got fishing or golf or whatever. But you have an easy access here. You can put a TV here. You got an AC unit here. And you can put this down for a desk. Or maybe the kiddos are doing homework. But it's kind of a little bunkhouse, little bunk room. You got plenty of plug-ins everywhere. I love this hidden storage. Then we got our bathroom. It's a very nice size. Very nice size. And you got storage and storage. It's just, beautiful. And I love, Salem always has that beautiful countertop. But plenty of room here to fit in there, both in the shower and just to sit on the toilet. All right, now we have a king-size bed in here. But you can already see that you can walk all the way around. You have room on both sides to walk in. You've got storage up here as well. I love having that window in the back. And then over here, it has an option for a washer and dryer. So you got everything that you could possibly need in this unit to go out and have fun. And it's just another reason why I absolutely love this unit. But you guys tell me what you think. Let me know. Do you even like the toy hauler? Do you like this idea? Do you like this floor plan and layout? If you want more information, you know that my information is down in the description, but come up here, see me, Funtown RV in Waco, ask for Rachel, or, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. All right.